Going to show you how to make baked French toast. First we have 2 cups of milk. Then we put 2 eggs in there. And then 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Okay, 1, 2. And then you need 2 teaspoons of salt. And then 1 cup of flour. Just regular all-purpose flour. 1 cup. And then 2 tablespoons of sugar. Put it right in there. Then we will whisk all this together. So all the egg and everything's nice and whipped together. Then you need stale bread. Any bread will do. I'm just using white bread today. Just your regular white bread. Just a loaf of it. Just whisk all your ingredients together. You'll need 2 cookie sheets lined with parchment paper. Right over here. Then we're going to put a little bit of butter on that. Square of margarine. And you just put your butter on. A light little coating so your bread doesn't stick. Do it on this one too. Then we're going to dip the bread in the egg mixture, then put it in the pan. Once you get this all whisked together, then you're going to dip the bread in the egg mixture just like that. And then put it on the pan. Dip it in the egg mixture. This way, if you have a large family, you can do all the French toast at once. We're just going to bake it in the oven instead of frying it. Okay, and you do this until all your bread is done. Okay, we got the first pan done. Now we're going to do the second one. Just dip it in the mixture. Put it in the pan. We already have the oven preheating 365. So it'll be ready by the time we're done dipping all the bread. If you let this set a couple minutes before you put it in the oven, that's really good because then the mixture soaks into the bread more and it makes the bread fluffier. The French toast fluffier. That usually does a whole loaf of bread mixture that we mixed up. Now we're going to put it in the oven on 365 for 10 minutes and then flip it and then 10 more minutes. Okay, we have the bread in the preheated oven and then we're going to put it in for 10 minutes. Set a timer for 10 minutes and then we're going to check them and flip them over. Okay, the buzzer went off. It's been 10 minutes. So now what we're going to do is flip them all over so they get done on both sides evenly. So then you just kind of break them apart a little bit. Flip them. Just like that. Then we'll put them back in for 10 more minutes. And till they're golden brown. Then they're ready to eat. You can put syrup on them or strawberries, however you like your French toast. So now they're all flipped. We're going to put them back in the oven for 10 more minutes. Okay, timer just went off. We're going to flip them one more time. See how nice and brown they're getting? So this is the last time we're going to flip them. We're going to put them back in for about 5 more minutes. Then they'll be done and ready for you to put syrup on them or whatever other kind of topping you like on your French toast. Okay, so we're going to put them right back in the oven. Set the timer for 5 minutes and they will be all done. French toast is all done after being in the oven on 365 for 25 minutes. But after each 10-minute interval, you flip them over. Go 10 minutes, flip them. 10 more minutes, flip them again. And then 5 more minutes, and they're all done. All you have to do is grab your syrup, dump it on, and enjoy your baked French toast. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you make the recipe. It will be at the end of the video. Thank you.